Hey everyone, for this video, I'll teach you how to play music on Discord. With this tutorial, you will be able to enjoy some music while chatting on Discord. The first step is opening Discord. You must have a server to complete this tutorial. So, the first thing you have to do is make sure that you have a music channel, which is this. The music channel is where you can talk to people and listen to music, but how do you actually listen to music? All you have to do is just go to Safari or any other browser that you have and search for MusicBot Discord or Discord Music Bots. And at the very top, you can see all of these. So you can just pick one, and then once you find one that you like, invite it to your server. So after that, it's that simple. If you think this video is helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.